In this video, I will show you how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Google Chrome. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is load up the website that you want to add as a shortcut. In this example today, I'll be using my YouTube channel. So once you've got the website loaded, what you want to do is come up to the top, and next to this web address, you're going to see the plus button to open up a new tab. All you want to do is give that a click. Once you've done that, you're going to get a screen like this. Now, if you look underneath the search box, you can see all my current shortcuts. And to add a shortcut, you can see there's a button here which says Add Shortcut. So what you want to do is click onto this icon here, and this is going to bring up the Add Shortcut box. What you can then do is go ahead and name your shortcut. So I'm just going to call this one Tech Tutor's channel, just like so. And then all you need to do is paste the web address into the second box down here. So just come back to your website, come up to the top, right click, click onto copy. And then if you come back to this window and you want to paste that web address into here, and once that's done, just come down and click the blue done button. So as you can see, that shortcut's now been added. If we give that a click, that's going to directly load up the website. And that is how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.